So it has been raining, like serious rain, okay? And it has been like 2 days now. Yesterday it rained. There was rain yesterday. Today rain as well. Okay, yes. So as you can see, it is raining all over me, all over me. I can feel it, a lot of rain. You see that? It is just dropping, and look at the weather. Look at the weather, just look at the weather. So it has been raining and it really feels good. See the rain showering this way. Yeah, so very soon we'll be expecting what's it called, snow. Okay, it will start with the rain like this, then gradually the weather will begin to like get cold, then from cold to snow, which is what's it called? It's not spring, it's autumn, right? Autumn or spring, I can't remember anymore. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what happened to me? Okay, it's autumn, right? So from autumn, then we enter the May snow, winter snow. Yeah. So that is it. Hello guys, everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much, and see you in snow time. See you always. Bye bye, Sheila.